Hello again. I have yet another GE box fan to show all of you, and surprisingly, this is the last one. This is a GE box fan that was apparently owned by David J. Hill at one point. I got this fan at a garage sale a few years back. There was a GE Strat fan that I was going there to try and get, but then I saw this and I was like, well, it doesn't matter to me that somebody else took the GE Strat fan before I could even get to it. I'd rather have a GE box fan. So I was happy with this. And I've been complimented on the paint on this fan. It looks really nice, some of it. This fan just needs a good cleaning and it'll look good again. The reason I don't have any grill on it is because all of the little things, they're like little grommets that would go in there. All of them except one of them are missing. And they're not really easy to get. Especially since this wasn't one of their more popular models. It's not really easy to get them. But I'm really hoping this fan will work because I haven't used it in a while. But yeah, I think we should start it up. This one's not electrically reversible like the last one. You're going low. Forgot how well this one runs. The fan blade, the hub shakes a little bit. But once it gets up to speed, it's not an issue. It stops once it gets up to speed. Anyways, the reason I don't use this fan too much is because it doesn't have the guards. Here. There's a guard for it. I don't know if you can see that right there. But that's a guard for it. And that up there is also a guard for it. That's slow. Use medium. And here's high. Holy crap, it's blowing dust everywhere. Right, I'll turn it off before I get dust flowing into my face. Anyways, I'll turn the fan around so you can see the back, and then I'll give you a startup sound from the back. This fan does not have much of a startup sound. It runs actually pretty quietly. And there's the last of the remaining grommets. The only remaining grommet for the guard. And here we go. Let's take some of this stuff out of here. Oh, it's already just a tiny bit warm. Alright, here we go. Excuse me. And here's high. Must have forgot how long the spin down time on this fan is. This fan looks really good. The video just does not do it justice.